Hello, this is Eric from Northwest Pressure Washing Service. We're going to do a quick update on our trailer build that we're doing. Added a few things since the last time I posted a video. So let's do a quick walkthrough. Here we go. First off, I put some lighting in here. I'll show you here in a second. But switch is over here. Right there. Got the switch for my emergency lighting up top as well, right next to it. I put everything in here with caulking, believe it or not. All the wiring, just dabs of caulk along the way. Works great, no problems at all. A few things that I added, I think, since the last video were just a few accessories, a glove holder and paper towel holder. To put a shade back here for a little bit of privacy in case I needed a little privacy doing paperwork or something on a job site where I didn't want everybody looking in or coming to ask questions or anything like that. So one other thing that I did add was these rugs. These rugs are great. I got them from Uline. I believe they're called Water Hogs. They're supposedly hold gallons of water or snow. We'll see how that goes, but they're very nice, great texture on them. Hopefully it'll save the mopping after each job, so that'd be great. Walk towards the back here. Still got a mess in the back here. I got to figure this out. This will be the office area. Probably going to get some custom made shelving or something put in here with some filing cabinets or something like that. But I will show you the lighting, what we did with the lighting. Okay. And there's also one above me. There's 4 bars. You can see them great from this side, but looking the other way you can't. I did that for a reason. I try to direct most of the lighting inward, so when we're doing night jobs, we got a lot of light just on us instead of facing outward. I plan on also putting a couple exterior lights for night work in here as well, and hopefully it'll light up the area really good. I do lock in all my equipment, safety precautions. But it's just a quick video, an update of what we got going on here. I'll show you what we got in the cabinets. I ain't really added nothing in there since the last time. I got walkie-talkies in there and a couple giveaways. We got some towels and some wipes and advertisement material. Over here, I got some ball valves and pressure guns, earplugs, J-rod. We're starting to do some pressure washing art. We're introducing that. I got a big bear claw up there and my drum opener. And then this last one here, I got a little bit of everything. Some gloves and caution tape and some different fittings and some giveaways and some bolts and screws and some tools and mask for safety and all that good stuff. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll keep them coming and keep updates coming as far, keep putting stuff in here. I'll keep updating every month or so. So have a great day.